Keyboard. A keyboard has keys on it that are used to give commands to the computer. Let us learn about these keys. Alphabet keys. We use alphabet keys to type letters, words and sentences. There are 26 alphabet keys on a keyboard. Number keys. Number keys are used to type numbers. We also call them numeric keys. There are 10 number keys. On a keyboard, there are two sets of number keys. One set is above the alphabet keys. The other set is on the right side of the keyboard. This set is also called numeric keypad. The numeric keypad works only when the numlock key is on. Spacebar key. Spacebar key is used to give a blank space when we type words, letters or numbers. It is the longest key on the keyboard. Enter key. We press the Enter key to start a new line or a paragraph. It takes the cursor to the next line. It is also known as Return key. Backspace key and Delete key. While typing on the computer, we might make mistakes. To correct such mistakes, we use the backspace and the delete keys. Backspace key is used to erase letters and numbers one by one to the left of the cursor. Delete key is used to erase letters and numbers one by one to the right of the cursor. Arrow keys. Arrow keys are used to move the cursor up, down, right and left. These keys are also called cursor control keys.